international referee. Second referee, Mr. Liberato Benito Jr., international referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from Our Lady Falcons of the Adamson University. Let's start off with jersey number 1, Sheila Pineda. At number 2, guest player, Maria Paulina Soriano. Wearing jersey number 4, Mylene Paat. At number 13, guest player, Pachari Sangmuang. Wearing jersey number 14, May Jennifer Macatuno. And their team captain with jersey number 15, Marlene Cortel. Libero number 7, Jelly Tempiatura. Head coach, Mr. Sherwin Meneses. Calling on Our Lady Blazers from the College of St. Benilde. Let's start off with jersey number 2, Janelle Welch Chang. At number 5, team captain, Feliz Veronas. Wearing jersey number 6, Jeanette Panaga. At number 12, Maureen Lauren. Wearing jersey number 17, Rania Musa. And guest player with jersey number 18, Iyumi Yonko. Libero number 10, Rika Jane Enclona. Head coach, Mr. Michael Carino.
Well, it's a battle between an NCAA team and a UAAP team. This is Benilde versus Adamson, and a battle of the placing or positioning here in this match. And what do you think are the strengths? And alam natin Adamson solid yan, blocking. Ang Benilde din eh. They're known for blocking. So what goes?
Well, I think for one, apart from just the blocking defense, itong Adamson, of course, we know that their floor defense is also very good. Pero dito naman sa side ng St. Benilde, tulad ng sinabi ko, apart from just the skill, I think this team is really hungry to get the win.
Oh.
Dahil importante yung positioning para sa parehong kuponan na to, because they're trying to avoid, of course, some of the teams, diba? Ganun, kung sino yung number 1, so gusto mo makakalaban mo yung number 2.
That's right. So it's a matter talaga kung anong place ang gusto mo. Gusto mo maging 3 or 4. Well, Adamson draws first blood. We talked about her, Patrick Sangmuang, the guest player with the first point. Well, if it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Pineda. That's Cheng. Veronas down the line. Feliz Veronas. So you can see, the players of Adamson, matatangkad din sila. Ay, I'm sorry, of Benilde.
Matatangkad din sila.
Oh.
That's right. It's also an advantage as opposed to Adamson, na yung titingnan natin, Pachari and Soriano, who's the tallest in the lineup.
A good cover. Dito mo yung front line, Panaga and Veronas, talagang tall players. Macatuno. Back to Pao Soriano. Off the block, and that's off itong guest player naman ng St. Benilde, Yumi Yonko, who's not very tall but very athletic. Macatuno with a good serve. Sheng.
Quick. And yun yung mga play na kailangan, if you're a team that has more advantage when it comes to height, okay din yan, unahan mo yung kalaban with quick plays.
Oh. And it's not that easy because we know that Adamson, ever since, alam natin, yung depensa nila, makulit eh.
Oo. And Soriano is also a very good blocker.
Oh, but a hitting error there by Sangmuang. So a tall front line for Benilde. We have Lauren, Panaga, and Verona still. Macatuno, Pao Soriano.
Single block won't work if it's Pao Soriano right in front of you.
Kahit triple na-angle niya yun.
Oh.
Pero Pao Soriano has been really Adamson eh. So when you look at her now, parang nothing new eh, di ba? Parang nag-blend ka agad eh.
Actually, pag tinignan mo ngayon yung Adamson na wala si Pao Soriano, parang incomplete. Because all this time, we've really seen the Adamson squad with Pao Soriano there.
That's true.
Of course, not to take away anything from the current players like sila Bang Pineda and, you know, pero iba di ba? Iba yung nandyan si Pao Soriano.
Oh, the talent that this player has. Like, parang they built it around Pao Soriano, Angie Benting, yung mga players na naging synonymous sa Adamson. Well, 5 serving 3. Speaking of Pao Soriano, she's serving on deck. Cheng to Loren. Good dig. Cortel, good block. Coverage is there. Pao Soriano. Sang Muang just sets it over. Oh, Veronas with that hitting error. And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Problema doon, parang she was
Under the ball.
Oo, directly below the ball, no? Na ang player, may, parang they tend to just hit it strong. Dapat placing pa rin.
That's right. Pero yun ang common na makikita mong gagawin nila. You hit it stronger, so most of the time, pag nasa ilalim ka, lahat ng bola lumalabas.
That's true. And Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil is a proud partner of the Shakey's V-League. Panaga, Pao Soriano's there, Makatuno, sets it to Sang Muang, cross court, and quickly, Adamson heads into the first technical timeout, ahead 8-3.
Joboy si Mitch. Pinsan ko. Hey, I just met you. And this...
Today's game is that they will be playing like brand new. Balik sa inyo, guys.
So obviously all teams nagkaroon ng layoff and you know what's nice is for Coach Sherwin, it's a positive thing na they get to rest.
Oh, and sometimes, no, when you pag nasosobrahan ka ng isang bagay, nasasawa ka. Siguro ang maganda rin dun sa break na nakuha nito mga players natin, sasabik sila ulit to play.
That's true. Yun yung tawag na law of diminishing utility. Nagsasawa.
Oo, nagsasawa. Wow.
Something you remember from school.
A smarter way to say nagsasawa.
Sawa. Pero pag tinanong ka next time, that's the law of diminishing utility, di ba?
That sounds so smart.
Yeah. Loren. Soriano's there. Makatuno to Cortel. Off speed and to Veronas. Loren again. Sang Muang was there. Oh! Paat just left the area. Well, Adamson playing nga like wala silang break. So I guess it did them good. Kasi nga, actually it's not more of also your fatigue, yung body. Sometimes it's your mind then that you need to rest.
Well, of course, volleyball hindi lang siya physical. Actually, it's really a mental game as well.
Yeah. Loren.
Oh.
Na-save ni Makatuno. Sang Muang with the drop again. We talked about it. Yung experience ni Sang Muang, yun yung dadalhin niya sa Adamson squad, which is what they need kasi very young. You have a Pineda, di ba? You have Cortez. Yung kailangan nila talaga yung stability ng veteran.
That's right. Pineda, of course, one of, ito na after Soriano, si Pineda
Yes.
yung naging yung talagang face ng Adamson.
And that, she's not very tall, but
Very athletic.
super and very smart. Well, timeout for St. Benilde. Let's listen to Coach Michael Carino.
Dapat nakikita mo kung saan pumapasok yung Spiegel. Plus, ito yung makapatay dito. Baguhin mo na. Gamit ng back row, gamit. Tama yan, pag may pumapalo, kumakover na kumakover. Angat! Piyansa ko, piyansa! Go! Isang patay lang muna, isang patay. Go!
Obviously, Coach Michael Carino. Then, nag-realize na medyo mabagal no? Parang they're playing very tight. So, sabi na, angat, you gotta step out of it.
And of course, they need to keep at pace with Adamson. Dahil ngayon, kita natin, Adamson really dictating the pace of this game. Hindi pa nakakasabay itong St. Benilde.
The Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil is a proud partner of the Shaky Speedy. Pineda with a block. And a miscue.
Errors like these, that doesn't make the coaches happy.
Oo, kasi, di ba, we always talk about it, the mind factor
Oo.
Nawawala. And some coaches would say that drums, maingay. Ito walang drums
Oo.
Well, Borrero in, Jane Borrero in for Cheng. Free ball, miscue pa doon.
And the defense of St. Benilde really being tested by the offense of Adamson. Kita natin, even the plays of Adamson at this point, rin, simple lang naman muna. They're just going for the safe ones. Pero nahihirapan itong depensa ng St. Benilde.
Kasi nga, diba, sabi nga ni Coach Michael, angat, medyo mabagal yung kanina yung palo ni Pineda. It's gettable pero parang they're second late.
With tentative.
Yep, and Nagasa is the official ball of the Shaky Speedy. Makatuno, Pineda. Misset, Pineda tried to punch it over, pero out. Panaga back to serve for St. Benilde. Lady Blazers. Pineda. Cross court. We always see that from Pineda, no? She'll start off yung feeling it
And then eventually you see her really hammer the ball, giving it, really releasing a lot of those powerful attacks.
That's an advantage for me, for a player like that. You start out trying to steal the ball as you see another error from Benilde. Because sometimes, kunyari sa warm-up, ang pangit ang palo mo. Some players parang, oh no, pangit na yung game ko today. Diba?
They feel sa ball There's such a thing as feel mo sa bola.
And then if you ask them, feel it muna, they don't know what to do kasi sanay sila na pumapasok. Pag hindi papasok, parang, diba? Pero si Pineda, she won't have an off game because she can feel it first Pat with a drop. Borrero is there. Yonko from the back. Cortel. Pineda with a free ball. Borrero. Musa. Cortel. Free ball again for Benilde. Borrero. Lauren with a drop. Saved by Pat. Another free ball. Benilde's got to take advantage of all these free balls.
But that note, they committed net violation error.
That's right, and Adamson heading to the second technical timeout. 10-point lead, 16. Well, a huge size crowd here in the arena. That's actually the Davao Lady Aguila squad who succumbed to the UST Growling Tigresses in this earlier game. If you just joined us, this is Adamson against CSB. Cortel with a serve. Cheng back in for Barrero. Miscue. Emnas. Cheng again with a tip.
Ball is good. Right now, Adamson Arena is in full control of the first set. ESB, hindi pa rin nakakabawi, ano? Hindi pa rin nakaka-adjust.
I mean, they can't get over that hump, no? As you see, Galanza back, in for Coach Sherwin, who's been always playing well off the bench. Another off-speed. Cheng sets it to Lauren. Cortel was there. Emnas. Pat! Parang hindi nag-11-day layoff naman itong Adamson na to.
Joke tayo ni Coach Sherwin. Tanong ko ulit mamaya.
Oh.
Or maybe the girls, of course, had their own conditioning. Kanya-kanyang pa-condition sila during the break.
Obvious, no? Kasi parang they're all still very fit. Cortel with a good serve. Cheng. Lauren running. Wow. Good dig. Galanza. A stop by Yonko. Verona. Sangmuang. Emnas. Paat.
A bit too long for Paat.
Sayang, no? That was a good set. Medyo wala siyang follow through. Lauren serving for Brazil.
And these things, if you're down this much, ayaw mo pati na at the service area, no? You commit that mistake or those errors.
And quickly, Coach Michael brings in Gekiliana for Lauren. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. But you know, that service can actually sum up the way the Blazers are playing here in this first set. No? Very malamya We've seen how they play. We know what they can do. So parang today, sobrang they're not in their right element.
And also not communicating with each other.
Another drop ball for Adamson.
This is such a big lead enjoyed by Adamson right now.
He's right. Soriano just finding that hole. And Coach Michael Carino calls for time.
Tayo mga patay. Tayo mga patay. Hirap tayo mga patay. Pilitin natin pumatay. Hindi yung binibigay lang natin ng bola sa kabila. So kumuha ka ng block. Lahat ng blockers nandito na sa open. Diskarte gamit ng back row. Gila, wag na tumigil. Pala momentum.
Coach Michael really just trying to egg his team on, no? Parang kuha tayong momentum. Wala, hindi sila move forward. They're just stagnant.
Oh, and if the team is really hungry to win, hindi ganito yung galaw nila. I mean, right now, they're just cruising actually here in the first set, not adjusting to what Adamson is doing.
Parang they can't find any oil in their machine.
Finally gets a point from that block.
That was Musa. It's sayang because we said it earlier. They're a pretty tall team, a pretty balanced team, but they're not able to block. So at least, hopefully, that's the start of something big. Cheng and Clona. Yonko. Sangmuang was there. And
wow. Quick thinking. Emnas taking advantage of that one.
She has that. Dunk, diba? Dinunk two-handed. Cheng to Veronas. Sangmuang in the front row. Cheng was there. Yonko. Not over.
Nothing is just really going the way of CSB right now.
And another substitution. Ramos.
Bringing in more height. for St. Benilde.
Well, Coach Michael Carina obviously trying to find the right 6.
Oh, but right now, Adamson is really securing the first set.
Oh, everything going right.
Oo,
eh, no? But the service, easy rollover. Cheng, the Veronas. There you go. That's what they need, you know. All these points from the different players. Musa now serving, but still a commanding lead for Adamson. And for Adamson, you have Sangwang and Soriano in front. So medyo strong front line.
And she gets a kill.
Cross-court kill by Patrick Sangwang.
You know, if St. Benilde is having a difficult time when it comes to blocking, at the very least, dapat talagang bantay na bantay ng depensa nila sa likod,
Yes.
no? Lahat ng atake na galing sa side ng Adamson.
That's right. Pero obviously, yung timing ng blocking nila not there eh. No?
It's always a second late.
Yes. No, and then quickly again, Adamson wins this first set 25-9, and everything just flowing well for Adamson.
That's right. As we take a look at our shakies, a shake and play. Look at this last point from Patsari Sangwang.
So 25-9.
Oh, Jobay si Mitch. Pinsan ko. Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy, pero what's your number?
Hero,
Ay, ibang network.
text me.
Maybe.
Wala nang text me maybe. With Talk and Text, only text to all 20. 20 pesos lang. 2 days na only to all networks na. Panalo.
Text, ha?
Text mo rin. Definitely. Hanggang bukas pa.
Sa only text to all 20,
Araw-araw panalo ka!
From the leader in mobile, call and text like there's no tomorrow. Smart prepaid only call and text 25.
I'm so unlucky.
Real-time only text. Clear only calls.
We're here.
Now to 3 networks. For only 25 pesos. Text only 25 to 6406.
Welcome back to the V-League here. It's Adamson against ESP, and the number says it all, 25-9. Here you go. I mean, look at every...
Very clearly, it was an Adamson set. In terms of attacks, hindi nga nakasabay itong St. Benilde, and we mentioned that. Looking at it, 5 attack points for St. Benilde, 16 for Adamson, and I guess that says it all. I mean,
Yeah.
why Adamson won that first set.
Yeah, not only that, errors. Adamson only with 3.
That's right. And itong CFB really, they need to actually forget what happened in the first set and focus here on the second set. And tulad ng sinabi natin, one of their strengths, yung kanilang blocking na nawala in the first set. Kaya naging mahirap as a new player comes in here for St. Benilde.
Oh, yeah.
Their guest player, the 2-in.
Si Mitch. Also, regular guest player ng Shakey's V-League. Oh, good dig by Emnas. Sangmuang. Cheng. Veronas. Galanza was there. Soriano. To Cortel. Block. Emnas. Sangmuang. Lauren. This is the longest rally so far here in this match.
St. Benil gets a point.
So Michelle got the win. Welcome to St. Benilde. Di ba you were saying galing pang ano yan?
The fresh yan from the club championship.
Yeah.
So,
I'm sure batak na batak si
Oo.
Mitch.
From all those training and all the games he had in Thailand. Of course, alongside with a lot of the Shakey's V-League favorites, sila Daki,
Oh.
sila Victic Laborte.
It's so nice when you read na, okay, meron na tayong parang we have a contingent, diba, sa mga foreign leagues. Parang, yeah, tayo.
Makes you proud.
Very proud. Saka we've followed the careers of a lot of these players, diba? Like you said nga, Daki.
Yep.
I think Balse is
Balse
there.
also.
Wow. Oh, good dig, Soriano. Sangmuang, easy over. Cheng. Managa, but blocked by Pat. So another quick start by Adamson. Pat and Sangmuang. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Well, Benilde has been having reception problems as Cheng has been doing underhand sets, bump sets.
So, pag gano'n, nawawala syempre yung chance nila to implement plays or execute plays.
Cheng. Veronas. Emnas was there. Soriano. Oh! Miscue. Rare miscue for Adamson. Imagine 3 errors lang doon sa first set. Talaga nag-cruise sila over Benilde.
Now, Adamson, of course, can't relax.
Oh, I mean,
Minsan ganun pag
we've
malayo.
seen it. Oo, pag malayo, no? That's right.
Tendency is for a team to relax. But normally, that happens in the third set. Once a team has already won the first 2.
Oh, good coverage. Paat with a tip. Cheng was there. Veronas. Oh, that did not cross. That's Lauren with a hitting error. So Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. And I love every season, I look forward to looking at the uniforms.
Oh, yeah. Oo.
Paganda
Something
ng
to look
paganda
forward
eh.
to.
Yeah. Good block. That was Gekiliana trying to chase. Well, obviously, Coach Sherwin, not taking any chances. Because normally, if he wins a set with that big a lead, he changes his lineup eh. Ngayon, parang same pa rin instead, except for Galanza for Pineda.
But he's sticking with his current one. Chances are he would make substitutions along the way. Pero ito, I guess it's securing a strong base for the second set. Pagka comfortable lead, and that's when he can field in the other players.
That's right. Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil is the proud partner of the Shakey's V-League. Ang iniba lang niya is Emnas and Galanza who came in as a substitute to the first set. Yun yung naging first six niya. And Cortel now serving for Adamson. Good serve. Cheng to Lauren.
Not good.
Oh. Paat to the block, and Adamson again taking a big lead going to the first.
can't make can mean you don't care. A bad connection, and the moment is lost. A text that never came can cost you a relationship. In a world where every second counts, count on Smart, the biggest network. We should belong. To let go. To spend your precious time on the small things. Because your time is your life. And the less of it you waste, the more of it you live.
Pero sabi nila, para daw magawa yan, you have to have the hard service and an even harder hit pagdating sa kanilang sa mga spike nila. Pero sabi niya, hindi niya daw nakita yun during the first set. Kaya naman itong mga girls mukha namang upbeat pa din here in the second set. Kaya baka may chance pa itong CSP. Balik sa inyo, guys.
Next, Miyaka, but actually mahirap naman sirain ng depensa ng Adamson.
That's right. That's gonna be a tall order for St. Benil.
Yung depensa ng Adamson, naka-engrave na yan. Mahirap sirain.
Since I can remember, it has always been the strength of Adamson.
Oh, Emnas to the Lanza with a tip. Galanza talaga, I mean, alam ko rookie lang siya but she's playing so well. And alam mo, she's going to be the next Bang Pineda
And that's what they're developing.
Yeah.
Yun yung hinahanap nila ngayon. Ang Adamson, if you look at it, palaging ganun yung transition planning nila. Pag may nag-graduate na setter, may kapalitin agad. And in this case, Galanza, tama ka, being groomed to be the next Bang Pineda.
Who we know is playing in her final season year as a regular player for Adamson. Again, Emnas.
It's that same move as she did in the first set.
Oh, maganda timing ni Emnas, no? Again, not very tall, but she gets that through. Oh, Galanza now serving for Adamson. Cheng to the win with a tip. Again, that's the win. That's her second consecutive tip, and she gets the point.
So if you can make volleyball look simple and score a point simply like that.
Why not?
Oh,
diba?
why not? Hindi kailangan ng flashy, strong attacks. What you need is something that will work and something that will really give you a point.
Yeah. And you're right, though, kasi if it goes the distance, like 5 sets, syempre if you're a person who preserves a bit of your energy,
Oh,
diba?
yeah, oo.
You don't waste energy yun. Soriano with a tip, led by Benil. Another one. Ano to? Battle of tips.
Pero right now, yun yung sabi ko all the exchanges, the drop balls.
Oh, and then a free ball to Adamson.
Oh, expect a play.
Sangmuang. Zone 1. Yun yung play na gusto din i-develop actually ng Adamson, yung Soriano, Sangmuang in the center.
Yes. Look at this. And of course, it will be very effective. Sangmuang can practically hit any of the position in front. So it is one big advantage there for Adamson.
I remember during her heydays, she can, even in the back, I mean, you're right, the hat ng position.
Hat ng position.
Well, she ain't the former captain of the Thai national team for nothing. Cheng, Veronas, blocked by Sangmuang.
If you look at Sangmuang, parang ang tingin mo, ang bagal, naglalakad sa loob. But then she's always there kung nasan yung bola.
Oo.
Parang relax na relax.
Very smart player. Yun yung magaling hindi nagwe-waste ng energy.
Oh, because she just, walks to where the ball is gonna go. Siyempre hindi naman yung walk na mabagal. But she's there. But very relaxed how she plays.
I'm not into the net. And Mikasa's official ball of the Shakey's, Vili. Pero believe ka rin the way she digs, since she's
yeah.
known sa mga dives
Yes,
niya, no?
yes. Very good defensive player as well.
Well, this time, Yonko was there, to win. Free ball for Adamson. Villanueva. Redwell, triple block by Benilde, and finally, but if that's what they need, if they need triple blocks, then they should go to that, diba?
But that, you need to post a threat, I guess, if you're against Adamson. And if that's what it takes, kailangan lang syempre may coverage pa rin when they have triple block.
Yes, and an ace by Mitch to win. And don't look now, it's just a 2-point lead for Benilde. Of course, alam natin yung entry ni Mitch to win, malaking bagay for Benilde.
And right now, the score is much closer with Adamson just having a 2-point lead.
Slip there by Temperatura, but they get that through. Getting air by Gakeliana. Well, Soriano now serving for Adamson. 13 serving 10. Yonko, Cheng, Gakeliana. Emnas was there. Villanueva sets it to Sangmuang. Block.
Almost saved by Soriano.
Pero you can sense ngayon medyo Benilde is playing a different brand of games compared to the first set.
Much faster, more aggressive even.
Gakeliana serve for Benilde. Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil is a proud partner of the Shakey's V-League. Sangmuang gives the facial, but it's still alive. Villanueva.
And the check.
Yun yung sinasabi mo, Coach Sherwin, magsa-substitute yan. So Villanueva now playing for Adamson. Sangmuang.
It's the net.
That's another service error for Sangmuang. Serona serving for Benilde. Good serve. Emnas. Villanueva with a
off speed. She actually looked at the other side bago niya tinalo yung bola.
Diba? And why not? What's it?
Lang. Looking at where the opening is, sending that there.
Good serve. Cheng to Yonko. Good dig. Emnas. Galanza. Cheng. Panaga. Sangmuang got a hand on it. Galanza.
Gets blocked.
Right, read well by Panaga. We talked about her before this game started. And she has to step up for Benilde.
Especially at the net with a strong offense of Adamson.
Well, Maat gets that through the net. And Adamson leads 16-13 and going to the second technical timeout.
Jobay si Mitch. Pinsan ko. Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy, pero what's your number?
0.
Ay, ibang network.
Text me.
Maybe.
Wala nang text me maybe. With Talk and Text, only text to all 20. 20 pesos lang. 2 days na only to all networks na. Panalo.
Text, huh?
Sure! Text mo rin. Definitely. Hanggang bukas.
Another good serve. Soriano. To Galanza. Cheng. Gatiliana. Villanueva. Emna. Soriano. Good dig. That to win. Someone barely got to that. Galanza. Yonko Cheng. That to win with a tip. Galanza was there. Good coverage. One more time. Galanza. Yonko was there. This is a long rally. Gatiliana.
Yes, that point. Single block.
Yeah, and then, the blocker was Emna. So,
More advantage for Gatiliana as well. Galing mas matangkad siya. It's a shorter blocker.
that's right. And don't look now, we are tied. Can you imagine? First set, 25-9. Now we're tied at 16 apiece. Oh,
Galanza really making her presence felt.
no, but the blockers read it, no? The blockers.
Yeah.
But no coverage.
Oo, that's right. And din yung nakita natin lahat naka-atras eh.
Oh, and Coach Sherwin brings in Alquino for Pao Soriano. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Cheng, Gatiliana, Listana, now in for Temperatura. Sang Muang with a tip. Cheng, Veronas, too near the net.
Oh, Emnat, that must be her specialty.
Oh.
It's the third time.
And with force, hindi lang swerte.
Look at this. Yeah, inunahan si Datuin, who's actually a much taller player than she is.
Exactly, and timeout for the Lady Blazers.
Hindi ka dito. Iwan mo yun doon. Kailangan makuha mo yun dito. Gamit ang back row. Pag nagba-back row mo, nakaganyan na defense na kalaban. Pag gamit ang back, titingnan mo kung gaano ka bukas. May area dyan, pwede ka mag-drag. Plus, pag nagda-down tayo, hard talaga, hard. Hindi tinatapik-tapik lang. Makasin mo talaga. So, one stop.
Oh,
One stop.
tayo.
Ano?
Animal here.
No specific instructions for the back row attack. But it's true, di ba? Kailangan talaga basahin mo yung defense. That makes a great player. Di ba? Apart from a good player. Yung court sense.
Let's see. Itong second set na rin is a much closer set for St. Benil. So, judging from that huddle, they don't want to let go of their second set. Sayang yung narating na nila here the second set.
Oh, tapos yun yung sinasabi nga ni Coach Michael, the momentum that they were looking for. Oh, good stop by Villanueva. Sang Muang. Oh, got the win, just leisurely gets that through.
Looking for the hand, getting it off the block, get that point.
Pero si Lestana, balik libero because their previous game she was dressed as a regular player. It was just Temperatura.
But it's good that they actually have options in the lineup.
Emna's now serving for Adamson with a 2-point lead. Good serve. Cheng. Veronas block. Alquino making her presence felt. But we gotta mention Enclona has been digging or receiving very well for Benil.
That's right. Actually, very different from how she was in the first set. Itong second set talaga, kita natin all the digs, all the saves. But I jinxed it. Went right in between Yonko and Enclona.
Well, they didn't think that Sang Muang would be able to get that angle. Talaga parang...
And look at Sang Muang. As in, yung approach niya papuntang left, diba?
Exactly. But after she hit it, pa-left pa rin yung momentum niya eh. Cheng. Rekiliana. Aquino with a block but did not go through. So Mitch that the win. 18 serving 21. Good serve. And Nas. Villanueva. The twin was there. Cheng. Veronas. Finds the line.
Benil just telling Adamson, don't count us out yet.
Oh. We've seen weirder things happen. 1921, wala pa yan. Good serve, Nas. Sang Muang.
Oh, but Cheng knew she was at the wrong position.
Si Cheng has this, has this antic na, parang, oops. Oops. Oh, exactly.
But apologized immediately at the bench.
Aquino, good serve. Cheng. Oh!
That was too long.
Miscue for Benil, signing opportunity. So Coach Michael wants to talk it over.
Dapat siguro sa nakapagdating ng ganyan. Pangit natin naman, doon lumahabol tayo ng umabos, matatapos pa ng ganyan. Dapat ganyan. Ay, isa lang, isa pa tayo. Nasaan to? Nasaan ka makatabi na? O malaki na, malino nasa dulo. Ako muna sumagos ka. Ikaw quick, kaliwa lang. Pwede gumamit ng back row. Ikaw natin kami sa kanya. Hoy, kaliwa.
But you know, tama yung sabi ni Coach Michael eh. Habol tayo ng habol, tapos magtatapon kayo.
Sayang yun eh. Those are wasted points. And added pressure also on their end. And also in that huddle, no, he was mentioning, ina-identify niya sino ba yung shortest blocker on the other side. So he wants Cheng to favor that blocker when it comes to executing the plays. Dahil mahirap itong si Aquino and si Sang Muang.
Oh, now it's Pata. Added height. Well, after Benil was able to tie this at 16 apiece, now Adamson. Well, Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil is a proud partner of the Shakey's B-League. Well, Adamson now set point. It was that quick. And that's all she wrote for the second set. Mylene Pat read that well. Stuff block. And Adamson leading here in this match 2 sets to none, 25-19.
Take a look at her shake and play. Look at this block. Last point here for Adamson.
That's right. It's
Tropacol! Anli-Textol! Anli-Col sa pinakamalaking tropa! Panalo!
Texan?
Tawagan? I-Anli na yan! Pwede na! Text 8320 to 4545. Panalo!
A call you can't make can mean you don't care. A bad connection, and the moment is lost. A text that never came can cost you a relationship. In a world where every second counts, count on Smart, the biggest network. It should belong. To let go. To spend your precious time on the small things. Because your time is your life. And the less of it you waste, the more of it you live.
Worried about mobile internet costs? Try new SmartNet. It's free and easy mobile internet access, free Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo email, and much more.
Hi. Your order?
Make your move with SmartNet.
At this very moment, millions of calls, billions of messages, and billions of bytes of data can all travel at light speed in a line as fine as this. That's the power of fiber optic technology from Smart.
Well, it was a different start in the second set, but the same outcome. Adamson won it 25-19.
That's right. Better performance for St. Benil this time around. They were only short by 4 points when it comes to attacks. Pero itong Adamson still led when it comes to their blocking. They got 6 points. St. Benil only had 3. And in terms of errors, didn't help, I guess, no, na merong 4 ang Adamson, may 5 yung CSP.
Pero parang the numbers doesn't really translate to what happened. Kasi parang, when you look at the numbers, it's more of what happened till the middle of that second set. Nung nag-tie sa 16, diba? Tapos lead by 2. But Adamson, medyo towards the end, talaga just, diba?
Pulled away.
Pulled away, exactly. Oh, miscued. And Guevara blocked by Mitch Natuin.
Exactly what St. Benil needs at this point. Third set, sabi nga natin, crucial set for them. They need to give it their all.
Yes.
Hindi na talaga pwedeng mag-relax itong CSB.
That's right. Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil is a proud partner of the Shaky Series. But again, no, for those who just joined us, this is a battle of who wants to be in the third spot. Diba? If Adamson wins, they're going to be third. And then Arellano will be 1, Ateneo 2, Benil 4. Pag nanalo Benil, it's, Ateneo, Arellano, Adamson, Benil, diba? If Benil wins, it's going to be Arellano, Ateneo, Benil, and then Adamson.
And right now, it's really a matter of positioning to kung sino yung makakalaban.
Yes, because going to the next round, it's going to be the 1 and 3s of each group will be joined.
Yep.
Well, Benil starting out strong here. They heard you, Anne, because they have to win this set if they want to have a chance of winning this match.
That's right, and we're banking on their leading scorers so far in the first 2 sets. Veronas with 6, Datuin now with 5, Yongko with 4, and Panaga with 3. And it looks like they're off to a good start.
Oh, well, Coach Sherwin opting to go all local or all legit players. Yep. No guest players for Adamson.
Whereas their leading scorers after the first 2 sets were really Samuang with 10, Galanza with 6, Pat and Soriano both with 5.
Emna. Galanza. Oh, looked like it didn't go over. Easy. Got to win. Hortel was there. Emnas. Oh, free ball for Benil. Cheng. Veronas.
You can feel more energy coming here from St. Benil.
Well, you know, syempre, iba na naman yung magiging chemistry ng Adamson without their guest player. So, it's the question for Coach Sherwin is, how long will you keep this as your first 6? Emnas. Guevara. Emnas. Galanza. Pamplona was there. Chen. Gekiliana. Off the blockers.
Right now, everything is working for CSB.
Right, and an early timeout for Coach Sherwin and the Adamson Lady Falcons. Let's listen in.
Kasi tayo, tinatasan natin yung bola eh.
Ang tablang.
Running. Practice ka ng running eh. Tapos, okay lang yun. Para sistema, cover. Paano? Cover. Ito gamitin yan. Pag walang receive, ayos ang set. Snap yan.
Tara, bawal kami. Tara,
Well, the Lady Blazers are blazing here in the third set. 6 to love. You can see, everybody contributing. Gekiliana through the blockers. That Mitch that to win. Everybody playing well for St. Benilde. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Emnas. Galanza. Finally a point for Adamson.
A lot of pressure now on the Lady Falcons to get more points, tie it with St. Benilde. The last thing that you want is for CSB to pull away even more.
Oh, winning error by Verona. Also, if you're Adamson, you don't want to give, although you're giving your players, that opportunity to play here without your import, you still don't want to give St. Benilde or your opponent any window of hope kasi, di ba?
And pag ganito, napunta yung momentum on their side or even they regain the confidence that they lost in the first two sets.
Yun yung sinasabi ng coach, diba, na pinatay mo na, binuhayan mo
Oo.
ba?
And pag ganyan, ikaw pa yung, syempre, you gave them the chance.
Yep. And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shaky B-League. And that's with a good serve. Yonko, Cheng, Mitch at the win. Good sig by, sayang, no?
Guevara.
Villanueva talaga nag-split pa
Oh, it was a good dig. Guevara nagulat din ako agad.
Oo nga eh. Well, Verona serving, 7 serving 3. And Galanza, that did not cross.
Nothing's working, Noreen.
Oh, for Adamson, and for the first time, Benilde goes into the first technical timeout ahead, 8-3.
So masyadong malaki.
With SmartNet.
At this very moment, millions of calls, billions of messages, and trillions of bytes of data can all travel at light speed in a line as fine as this. That's the power of fiber optic technology from Smart. 54,000 kilometers. That's 4 times more fiber power across the Philippines. That's better than a modern network. Live more with a leader in mobile.
Dito sa silangan, ako isinilang kung saan nagmumula
ang sikat ng araw.
Ako ay may sariling kulay kayumanggi. Tayo'y mga Pinoy, tayo'y hindi Kanoy. Huwag kang mahihiya.
SmartBro, our fastest mobile broadband with 4 times more fiber power from the...
Obviously nga, momentum has already shifted to the Blazers, so it's up to Adamson. What are they gonna do? Obviously, Coach Sherwin still maintaining this fix.
No substitution, no signs of substitution as of yet.
Oh, that's a win. Gagiliana. And Patura. Cortel through the blockers. So Guevara now serving for Adamson. They needed that from Cortel. Actually, who is the captain of this Adamson squad?
Oh, Guevara, however, sends that straight into the net.
Oh, and the service error, and that's not going to help the Adamson cause. Mitch Tatuin serving for St. Benilde. Villanueva, Emnas, Pat barely gets that through. Cheng to Gagiliana. Emna. Galanza. Good dig by Yonko.
Oh. Cortel reads that.
Oh, she waited for it, no? Galanza serving for Adamson. Good serve. Glona, Cheng to Panaga.
Oh, Panaga. I think that one out.
Sayang, no? She had the right thing in mind, kaya lang
sobra eh. Kita mo yung angle ng kamay niya, no? It went from her right shoulder, bumaba dun sa may left side ng body niya. So the ball was definitely gonna go out.
I think she wanted to brush it off the blocker, pero si Cortel did not,
That's really tricky, no? If you wanna if you're targeting the hands of the blockers, kasi tama, si Cortel that time, didn't put her hand up. Hindi siya nag-ano din sa bait eh, pero...
Emnas. Villanueva. So after starting slowly, ito naman ang Adamson getting their own momentum.
Villanueva with a powerful hit off the block.
Well, Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Ganun yung kumpiyansa ni Coach Sherwin sa team na, Even they're down 6-0, okay lang, time out.
And the girls were probably just warming up.
Yeah, that's true din.
Kasi matagal na pahinga eh. Imagine mo, first 2 sets, all the starters, and then you field them in on the 3rd set.
Yeah. Well, time out, Coach Michael Carino.
Huwag ka nga kasi kumatakas muna ng ganyan. Hintayin mo i-set. Dito nga manggagaling para pag umatras ka, nakikita mo yung bola. Hindi makapatay. Kombinasyon. Pag sinakto mo sa gabi, kailangan nakatapat mo sa gabi. Hindi yung maliit eh. Hindi pa naga kailangan tapatan. Paltukin mo lang sa ibabaw. May pagkakataon ng pasig mo talaga. Ikot. Ikot. Kasi, gamit macro. Front line daw. Gamit macro. Hindi macro.
Oh, you see Mylene Patch just tipping it over. But in that huddle, itong si Coach Michael, talagang sinasabi na, yung options natin, use the back row para marami tayong offensive weapons, but we have to use it. Cortel. Pamplona was there. Cheng to Panaga. Block. Cheng to Verona. Sinasabi ni Coach Michael, use the back row. Patch.
Off the block. It's always difficult to block a lefty.
Yep. Si Paat, Parang we've seen her from, pinapasok lang siya. Ngayon,
she's now a part of the, starting 6. It's always nice to see how these players improve from the time that they started up to their peak.
Correct. Mga changing of the guards. Kasi we get so sad. Let's say, Benting's graduating. And then you see a
new person coming in.
Diba?
I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing or a sign of us getting old.
It is. A sign of them getting older. Also, they're graduating. Talagang diniin eh. No, it just goes to show yung constant or continuous development of players, which is so nice for Philippine volleyball.
It's the program, You see that the program from all these universities also evolving, and seeing new players, younger players coming in.
Yes.
Doon nakikita natin talaga a lot of people and a lot of the young girls right now really aspire. Ito yung gusto nila na someday they'll be able to play here in the Shakey's.
Yes. Where it all started.
Yep.
Blocked by Alcuino, and don't look now, 11 all. Yonko, actually, ang ganda ng approach na. Pero Redwell, that was actually Emnas.
Emnas has been rather aggressive at the net.
Bad with a good serve. Sheng. Yonko, good dig by Cortel. Emnas. Alcuino.
Alcuino asking for a touch. No luck that time.
Nga, alam mo, paglat pa lang net, check na yung sending signal na. Okay, obvious. Panaga. Cortel. Villanueva. Block. That was Yonko. And Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil is a proud partner of the Shakey's V-League. Panaga. Good serve. Emnas. Villanueva. Cheng was there. Veronas. Yonko with the tip. Easy does it for Yonko.
PSV needs to play smarter volleyball here in the 3rd set. Ang kailangan nila hanapin talaga yung butas and weak spots on the side of Adamson.
And they have to pounce on the fact that walang guest player, Parang they have Mitch there now. Obviously, maganda yung addition ni Mitch Lady Blazers. So they have to count yan. 15-11. Dapat they don't stop. Diba? Relentless dapat. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's D-League.
And also capitalize on the fact that Adamson is having a difficult time with service reception.
Yes, that's right. And CSB, after being 11 all, 16-11, will be back.
Tsaka nagpe-prepare kami para sa Beach Valley next week.
Oh, okay. Now, medyo nagkaroon kayo ng slow start here in the third set. Ano ba sa tingin mo yung kailangan gawin ng mga teammates mo para makabalik pa dito?
Parang nawawala kasi yung communication. Pero yung galaw naman nila, okay naman eh. Yun, parang kailangan lang mag-win.
You wanna invite your fans to watch D-League?
Patuloy nyo pa rin kaming supportahan and yung buong naglalaro sa Shakey's D-League.
Alright, maraming salamat lang guys. Back to you.
Thanks, Mitch.
Parang ako yung na-sad nung sinabi ni Bang na wala na akong playing years.
Di ba?
Ako yung affected.
Ako din. We were just talking about it, di ba? Parang nasasad tayo na may nag-graduate. So, yun, case in point.
They cannot be there forever.
Yeah. They're not Peter Pan. Well, missed you there between Desiree, her sister, and Mitch that to win. And the 13 serving 16. Villanueva.
Good serve.
Veronas. Portel was there. Emnas. Galanza. Emnas. Back to Galanza. Off speed.
Now we see them vary their attacks.
So, ito yung magiging
core team. Core team ng UAAP.
Yes.
It's always good actually kasi minsan training lang, though of course it's a big it's a big factor in really building a strong base. Maganda na lahat ng players mo gets that experience in an actual game. But Saint Benilde making sure that they maintain this lead. Cheng gets that point for them.
Sabi na kay Emnas, kala mo ikaw lang.
Ako rin.
And ako, hindi ako tatalon. Emnas. Free ball. Veronas. Cheng. Could that to win? Good effort, but the point still goes to Lady Blazers. You know, they've been successful in maintaining this lead over Adamson.
They probably just needed the warm-up in the first two sets, and probably the addition of the two-win also helped.
And a block by Veronas. Timeout by Coach Sherwin. He doesn't like what he's seeing.
Let's spike it. Ilan? Nakapagal ha? Isa lang. Okay lang, diskartehan mo lang. Basta binigay sa'yo, diskartehan mo.
Well, obviously Coach Sherwin is sticking to his future core for the UAAP. No signs of substitution. Over naman for the Blazers. They are cruising here with a 5-point lead. And a good front row at that.
Good serve.
You were talking about that, yung reception ng Adamson, which we've always been praising. Ngayon, it's not there.
And that's why they are also having a difficult time. Kasi Emnas palaging humahabol sa bola eh.
That's right.
And we haven't seen sets as well in the middle. Something that they had prior. May mga plays pa sila na pupunta sa likod ng setter. Right now, it's really more on the outside hitters.
Parang parang sure ball na lang. No, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Emnas. Good serve. Cheng. Got the win. Good block. Coverage is there. Enclona. Yonko. Emnas Alquino.
The ball was on its way out. Luckily, Enclona went for it.
Yung parang the hand of Enclona was parang out na rin eh.
Palabas na eh. So, swerte ni Alquino, kinuha pa ni Enclona.
Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil is a proud partner of the Shakey's Feely. Good reception. Veronas. Wow! Alquino, single block.
She could be the one who will save the day for Adamson.
And Miyaka saying something. She's so thin.
But she is very, very slim talaga, no, Alquino.
She's skinny. Don't worry, Miyaka. I've been mentioning that. Yung mga skinny players. Diba? Bitter eh. Veronas finds the line there. And 20 serving 17 still Coach Sherwin.
But even if maraming mga payat na players, one thing, isa yung trademark, hindi naman masyado, pero yung trademark ng volleyball players talaga yung thighs.
That's true.
She really dropped yung sa legs talaga.
Good dig by Enclona. Cortel. Cheng was there. That's the win. Gekiliaon.
Double. Called on the 2-in.
That's crucial, Pero yeah, in any sport that you use a lot of legs, parang even badminton, normally yung legs.
Legs talaga. Because in volleyball, you jump a lot, do a lot of those lateral movements as well.
So Alquino is just exception to the case. Kasi parang pati legs
really,
maliit. Alquino with a serve. Enclona. Gekiliana. Good dig. Emnas Paat. Parang over.
That set was actually already a miss set. Nagpas na kay Paat. Good thing. Left-handed attacker.
It also goes to show that si Paat, dati, she has matured eh. Dati wala na yan. Miscue is miscue. Ngayon, she has that ability to
adjust.
Exactly.
Kita mo, hinabol niya with one hand.
Yes.
Binalik niya papasok.
She's now a young lady.
Yeah.
Kay Kiliana. Villanueva was there. Cortel. Veronas. Chased by Yonko. Free ball given by Mitch. Cortel. Emnas. Back to Cortel. Cheng. Kay Kiliana.
Adamson. Very aggressive at the net. Takes all the chance that they can get pag malapit yung bola. Look at Paat. Very quick to react. Vertical jump.
Yes. No, that's what we need to talk about that play. There are a lot of players that will wait for the 3 touches, diba? Pero if it's that weird, pwede mo nang i-attack.
Pwede.
Paat did.
And alam mo, the beauty about those kinds of yung ibabalik mo agad, hindi pa nakakahanda yung kalaban. Wala pa sila sa posisyon.
Diba nakakagulat eh. So Mitch got to win with that kill. A bit of a cushion for the Blazers. Good serve. Ace.
The 2-in could just save the day here for CSB.
Iba talaga, no? Her entry. Talagang new life for the Blazers.
But Pat with such a strong attack.
That was a great set by Emnas.
And look at this. Ganda nung approach din, ano? Normally, pag middle attacker ka, no, or center attacker, you don't have the luxury of doing the full approach as the outside hitters would. And si Paat, na-master na rin niya yung approach in the middle.
Oh, very athletic. And Panaga with a mental lapse there. We are tied at 22 apiece, and Coach Michael Carino wants to talk it over.
Sabi tayo mabait eh. Diba? Pag ayaw mong magkakamali ka, dapat sigurado yung sinatapon. May background naman tayo. At saka bakit nakaganto? Bakit nakaganyan yung dalawa? Ikaw ito, nandito yung dalawa sa dulo-dulo. So hirap na hirap. Balit naman dito. Di pagsisigin mo dito pa. Si Panaga, pagbayo, quick. O si, back row. Ba, pwedeng ganun. O, pag may pumapalo, para tumasok, para paluin talaga. Kubera natin.
Well, 22 apiece. Who would have thought? The CSB with a good start, the blazing start, 6-0, and now we are 22 apiece. Good save, Panaga, Cortel, Villanueva down the line. 23-22. Clona, Gatiliana, Emnas, Supaat, Panaga, finds the hole, sweep there. 23 all, can't get any closer than they can.
This is how much Adamson wants to close this game, and how much St. Benilde wants to extend this match.
That's right. Oh, misreceived. Again, the missed receptions plaguing Adamson. Cheng. Panaga with a tip. Emnas keeps it alive. Oh! David over Goliath. That's all I can say.
That's right. Let's credit that point to Emnas, who saved that ball.
Wow, and Adamson talaga crawled its way back here in the third set, and they have match points.
Throughout, we saw how CSB actually got the lead here in this set, pero tininabaho talaga nitong Adamson itong set na to.
And Clona, Cheng, Yonko.
Oh! It's not yet over, sabi ni Yonko.
24 apiece. Yun yung sinasabi mo, Ane, gusto talaga ng Benilde to bring it to a fourth set eh. Cheng. Good serve. And nasa pa at blocked by Panaga.
CSB needs just 1 point to win the third set.
Oh, extended to a fourth. Again, yun sinasabi natin sa Adamson. Do you want to win it in 3 sets or risk extending it to a fourth? Emnas. Villanueva. Yes! 25
wow! And now we're seeing some substitution here for Adamson. Lebum Pasil, their service specialist and their defense specialist, coming in.
Oh, that's not easy, ah. Ngayon lang siya pumasok. Crucial pa.
And CSB would have their own version with Lai coming in.
Oh, for Gatiliana.
Ito yung mga crucial point. Yung talaga mapapressure ka pag papasok. Ang lamig-lamig mo. Kailangan pagpasok mo, A-game.
Oo. Good serve. Good receive. Yonko with a block.
Oh, and Adamson hanging on to the third set.
Oh, and again, match point against Coach Sherwin. Ganyan yung kumpiyansa nga niya sa team niya, If we go to a fourth, probably in his mind, then we'll go to a fourth, but I'm keeping you there. Match point.
Kailangan din siguro yun ng players,
Yes.
for them to know that the coach na may tiwala sa kanila.
Oh, and as you see, may tiwala si Coach Sherwin sa Adamson, and they win it in straight sets.
Well fought third set. Well fought third set ito para sa Adamson. CSB having such a big lead, talagang trinabaho nila yung third set. Coach Sherwin not thinking twice of actually bringing back the guest players, the veteran players. He stuck with the 6 that he had on the floor.
That's right. Ganyan, this is happening in preparation for the next season.
As we take a look at our shake and play. Look at this. The winning point here for Adamson.
Yep, and Adamson wins it in 3. Don't go away. We'll be back to award the player of the game.
Medyo nagkakaroon kayo ng slow start here in the third set. Ano ba yung sinabi sa inyo ni Coach? Ano yung napag-isipan nyo para maka-crawl back ng ganito ka-close?
Basta, maghiwalay-hiwalay lang kami, tapos isip lang. Parang, pag sinet ko na, sila na bahala. Kami na bahala sa cover.
And then sinasabi nga ng madaming tao, ikaw daw yung isa sa mga setters natin na talagang magaling mag-distribute ng bola. Ano ba yung iniisip mo pag dumidiskarte ka?
Basta pag nakita kong isang block lang nila, kaya nila, basta tiwala naman ako sa mga spikers ko, kaya kaya na nila.
Okay, at dahil ikaw ang aming best player of the game, meron kaming Shakey's Pizza for you, and I'm pretty sure madami kang gusto magbatiin dyan.
Hi sa Olonga po, sa AGS Olonga po. Hi kay mama ko, kay Lolo Danilo, kay Ellie, tapos sa mga friends ko sa Olonga po, tsaka sa mga magulang na teammates ko. Yun lang.
Alright, maraming salamat and congratulations once again, guys. Back to you.
So, Ann, talaga they started out, they crawled this match, to win this match.
That's right. And it's, this young team na nilaro ni Coach Sherwin in the third set really proved na, they have what it takes. And yung tiwala ni Coach hindi nila sinayang.
That's right. And it's final. Adamson is third. Going to the next round, on behalf of my partner, Ann Remulla, Kanda, Mia Kalim, I'm Noreen Go saying, keep watching the V-League because this is where it all started.